So today we are going to be solving for horizontal projectiles using this story problem. A soccer ball is kicked horizontally off a 22.0-meter hill and lands a distance of 35.0 meters from the edge of the hill. We are going to list our givens in the table over on the left. We know that vertical is the height of an object and horizontal is how far the object moved left or right. We're solving for final velocity, time, constant velocity, and impact velocity. First, we are solving for time. We are solving for time using the third kinematic equation. Here's my work for this equation. Now, I don't really know what to talk about right now, but if I find the time to entertain more, I may add on. Also, we know that the displacement or height is negative because it's going down. Now, when we are solving for final velocity, we are going to use the fourth kinematic equation. Here's how I solved it. I would like to point out that I will be using a calculator and plugging the equation in exactly how I have it written. When we are solving for impact velocity, we will use the equation on the screen. We will plug in the constant velocity we just found and the final velocity we found in the beginning. Then we put this exact thing in the calculator and it should give you the answer. When you get a number with a long decimal, typically round up to 3 decimal places. So here's the part that took me the longest. Unfortunately, we are going to use the first kinematic equation. We are going to use the time 1.8 seconds and negative acceleration 9.81 meters per second. We're solving for final velocity, which means we are not going to use the final velocity we already found, and the initial velocity is always 0 unless stated otherwise. Now it's time to solve for the constant velocity using the equation for horizontal velocity shown on screen. We have to find the sig figs, which there are 3. We know this by looking at the word problem. 22.0 and 35.0 meters. When we are rounding to sig figs, we have 3 sig figs, so here are those as shown on screen. Okay, bye-bye. I hope you learned something.